Hi everybody, this is Pam with Jesusjunkjournals, and we're going to look at the flip through of the little mini journal for the Book of Philippians that I just finished. And so here it is, hand stitched this label, well, hand lettered, and hand stitched the title on it. And so we have this little flip up thing to start with. So it's a little pocket with a little thing in it. Pocket on the back with some of the ephemera from the kit, and some of these, this is from the kit and this is not. Pocket here, and you open this up and it's a triple fold, pockets, 2 pockets, and some different ephemera, pocket here and a pocket back here. So that is the front of the journal. And then the actual journal, we've got the little tag from the kit, and then I've got a altered paper clip in here, and tag from the kit, and another little piece of ephemera. And we did file folders in this journal, so we've got a file folder with Philippian scripture, and I just put a couple other scripture cards in here, and we've got 4 of these file folders. So there's that one. Here's the page of the journal. And then we have this little folio that came in the kit, and 4 little tuck spots with some of the ephemera from the kit. And you can label those if you want to, however you want. And then here's the little tuck edge that came with the kit and a tag from the kit. And a little cute Peter Rabbit and some Bible collaging. Another edge to tuck things, and that's from the kit. Here's the 3rd file folder. This has Philippians 3:20-21. And it's got some Bible ephemera in there. Those are from I have decks of cards out there in my Etsy shop of Bible verses that you get 52 cards, and then you can cut them apart and paint the backs, decorate them however you want. It's kind of fun. And there's a tag from the kit, butterfly imagery, and the ribbon sliders from the kit, joy and strength through Jesus. It's kind of the message of Philippians. And then we've got a triple stack pocket with different scriptures. There's that one's from the kit. And so that's what they look like. And then here's the last file folder, and it's this design and some more of those cards with the scriptures. And then here's another little folio. From the kit. It's got a little pocket inside. I've got a couple of cards. This is from the kit. All right. And that's it. That's the end of that. And then I have a signature of just some writing paper. It's just all different kinds of paper that I put together for that. And then here's the accordion pocket that I haven't put anything in that yet, but that stores whatever extras you have. So it has the accordion on the side, and then it has Philippians 4:19 on here. And that's glued into the back cover. And that is it. That is the little mini journal of the Book of Philippians. So I hope you enjoyed that. I enjoyed making it. And if you haven't seen it, it's out there on Etsy. And then, of course, every journal that I make, I put how-to videos on how to make it to help anybody that needs it. And that's it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.